Alright, what's going on everyone? I'm Tristan, and today in this video what we got is we gotten about a $750 HYPEBEAST unboxing. I'm very excited to do this because I know what two of these items are, but one of them I have no clue what it is, so it's kind of like a mystery a little bit. One of them's like a mystery, you know. And I thought it'd just be cool to do something like this, kind of like higher value, just because I've been reselling recently. I've been getting a lot more sneakers, so I'm able to do more unboxings, and you know, I've had some pretty cool videos recently, so I hope you all will enjoy. If you all want more content like this, please go ahead and subscribe below. Thank you all for your insane support lately. We've gained like almost 300 subscribers in 3 days, which is crazy. So thank you all. I really appreciate it. Just keep showing love, and also drop a like in this video too. It's trying to hit 100 likes. So please drop a like. I'd really appreciate that. I would like to see it, and I'll definitely be doing more of these reselling unboxings and things like that. So yeah, follow me on both my Instagrams too. Tristan.Wick, CLT Steals, reselling, personal, whatever you all want to. Those will be in the description. And I'd really appreciate it if you guys give me a follow on either one of those. But yeah, that's it. I'm Tristan, and let's get into unboxing some hype stuff. All right, so first thing we're gonna go over, y'all saw me put this up, right? But this is basically the Yeezy cream size. What size was this? This was size 9. In amazing condition that I sold. Like, look how good the condition was on these guys. I got these for so low, but these are 100% legit. I didn't even wear these because I can't fit a 9 in Yeezys, but these are crazy comfy. I imagine. I mean, I've tried on 350s. 350s are comfy, and the boost on this lives up to the name. So these are dope. Cream white 350s, just something I got for the selling page, you know. I just thought it was a really good one because look at the condition on these guys. Like, look at these boys. Like, these are in great condition, like no damage or anything on them. And you know, I'm glad that I sold these for like good profit too, because obviously I got these for lower, but these are cool. And you know, about to ship them out to the guy who got them for the low, because you know, my stuff sells decently fast. I usually sell most of my stuff within a day, and I try and get like at least 2 items a day going on the page, or like 1 item a day. So I'm gonna go check the page today and definitely try and put some stuff up for sale since I took an L on the Supreme drop. But yeah, you know, this is just something I posted for sale the other day. Came in pretty quick. Cream white 350s, super clean pair. Like, these are, bro, find a pair cleaner for my prices. I sold these for $205 and I made good profit. So find a better price in this condition for $205. Yeah, basically a dead stock condition, dead stock pair for $205. Go find it. You're not going to. I got them deals, bro. I promise. All right, but next up, I wanted to go over this one pretty badly. I almost went over it first, but this is the Worldwide Youth package. So shout out my boy Dylan Grails. I really appreciate you sending something from his brand, Worldwide Youth. If you guys want to go check that out, definitely gonna link that in the description. Probably will style this in an Instagram post, whatever it is. So opening this. All right, so first thing we got a couple pieces. All right, this is pretty sick. So first thing we got some dope stickers. I'm gonna put these on my desk. So we got some dope stickers. Shout out Dylan, you know. I want y'all to check these out. These are fire. Worldwide Youth one right there. All those. So some dope stickers. I'm gonna set those right there. And then also, it looks like we got a few more things from upcoming stuff, as he told me. And yeah, some of these designs. All right, this is fire. Hold up. This is it says think different, and here I'm gonna open this right now. Basically, what we got here, I'm just gonna throw it on the ground. What we got here is this tee that says think different with an apple, but it's actually the Worldwide Youth thing in it. Like, this is cool. I don't think they've released this yet, so I think this is upcoming. But yeah, it says youth think different. Oh, you think different. All right, there we go. So you think different. It's like an apple with like the Worldwide Youth pattern going through the center right there. Dope. I like that design a lot. And yeah, you know, just gonna go in the collection, dude. My Worldwide Youth collection is fire. I'm definitely gonna do a video on it sooner or later because it's been stacking up. Thanks to Dylan. Shout out my man right there. Gotta move this because we're not done. We still got some more Worldwide Youth in here. And it looks like, all right, we got, this looks crazy. So I'm definitely going, okay, I'm gonna set this down. We still got a tee, it looks like, to go over, but we got something right here that looks pretty crazy. All right, I think these are some, hold up. Oh, okay. All right, so this is the coach's jacket that I think, yeah, this is the coach's jacket. So basically the design we got on this, I'm gonna put it on, and y'all gonna see this. This is like this is a fire jacket. I can definitely make this, I can put a fire fit out with this. All right, so we got like a coach's jacket type thing, and as you can see on the back, it says like Worldwide Youth right there. This is fire. Obviously, you know, you button it right here. There's like a button, and you just put it through, and that's fairly easy to do. So, you know, I'll button it so you guys can see what that will look like on this jacket. But yeah, basically, you know, just get the button going. There's what it looks like, you know, clean. This one unbuttoned, but you know, obviously I would button it up and it'd be something, you know, nice. I'm gonna do the rest of the video on this jacket. I'm gonna do the rest of the video on this. So I'm putting it on. You know, I just got the CDGT on also, but yeah, this jacket I'm gonna be putting on. So this one's sick. And there we go. Coach's jacket is on completely. You can see the back goes crazy. I mean, this is another crazy jacket he's made. So shout out him on that. this definitely gonna be a piece, possibly posted on the Instagram. Gotta see what this tee is though, because this tee looks pretty crazy also. But this tee is one that I was pretty interested in possibly rocking for an Instagram pic, because I think this one was pretty sick, and this one stood out. This one stood out to me when the most when I originally opened the package. So let's check out the design. Nothing on the back, but on the front, we basically just have the devil and the WWY sign right there, which I think this is a collaboration. If I'm right, a collaboration with somebody. I need to, here, let me find the tag. I'm pretty sure, because I think the devil represents someone. So this might be a collab, you know, possibly some hype, you know. But yeah, you know, this one's still pretty cool regardless. I like the little devil and the WWY Youth logo right there. I think that's cool. Definitely a little one I'd rock. There's something simple and cool. So yeah, you know, just a little cool, simple design. So shout out Dylan for all the cool stuff, and yeah, definitely gonna be rocking this. Of course, I love my little WWY Youth collection I got going right now. I'm gonna definitely be making a video, and this is just another jacket I got, so shout out him. It's fire. And next up, before we get into the big box, we got a little package right here. This is something that I know. This is something I also got to resell right here. Just so you guys know, I'd be reselling. I'd be doing that, you know. All right, next up, we got this Gucci wallet condition. Just kind of an older one, as you can tell, pretty worn down, but this is like a more vintage style Gucci jacket. So dang, I'm looking fresh in the coach's jacket. I'm messing with this. This is definitely something. Gotta figure out a fire fit to go with this. So I think I have an idea. So maybe fit pick coming Friday, you know. Stay tuned on my Instagram. You can go follow me there. But as you can see, you just got the coin pouch right here. You can stick coins or whatever in here. It just snaps back like that. And same with here, it just snaps back like that. And you can hold plenty of cards in this wallet. So yeah, there's something else I sold. Gonna be shipping this one out tomorrow. And yeah, you know, I'll place it, since I have to ship it out, I'll just place it right here. But now it's time for us to get into the big box, the big boy, right now. I gotta get something to open it. So I'm gonna do that. All right, opened perfectly. The tape, this boy's stuck right here. Maybe I can break it. I gotta save this box. Since I sold both these and sold them both to the same guy, I gotta save this. All right, the box is finally open. All right, so let's see what we got in the box, but I know what's in the box, so I'm not gonna play dumb or anything, but since I sold both these, you know, I'm not allowed to show them. But first thing we got right here is some zebras. These are pretty beat, or fairly beat condition, as you guys can tell. I'm not sure what this is, but we've got a tea bag in there. Definitely gonna take that out before I ship this off. But yeah, basically you can tell the condition on these. You know, it's a beat pair, but you know, I sold them both for a good deal, so you know, the guy's definitely gonna be able to sell them. And I don't know what this is, but we got a little bit of discoloration, it looks like, on the sole. We got some like paint on this one. So this pair of zebras, pretty beat, but sold and legit. And then we also got a pair right here of the Yeezy Sesame size 10, also fairly beat condition, as you can tell. Again, not holding up too well, but you can see these, both these right here. But again, Sesames are a super comfortable 350 model, as you guys know. Maybe or may not, maybe you don't know that, but these are very, very comfortable. And just something I wanted to point out, a little something slight. And, you know, just something I sold again. So little zebras. But this is actually the first time I didn't make a lot of money on some pairs I had sold. I did make a ton of money selling these beat pairs. So I definitely need to remember getting used pairs that are in good condition for the low is the way to go. So that's another reseller tip I just want to throw out there. But yeah, you know, it's 3 Yeezys that I unboxed in this video. And you know, another pair right here that I had sold. And then we got some WWY Youth, that was fire. And then also the Gucci wallet that we mentioned. So that's around a $750 unboxing. Shout out everybody that sent me stuff or that I did deals with. You can go check out my reselling page or Instagram in the description. Possibly gonna have an Instagram post that's gonna be super fire up tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks Dylan. I'll link him down below if you wanna go check out the brand WWY Youth, the one I got the jacket from. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. Let's roll that outro. Anyways, I hope you all did enjoy this video. If you did enjoy the unboxing, then please go ahead and subscribe and drop a like for more videos just like this. I'd appreciate that. You can also leave a comment on your thoughts on any of the things I unboxed in this video, or if you got any pieces for sale. I definitely am always buying stuff, so hit me up on my Instagram. Yeezys or anything you got for sale, I will buy them instantly if they're in good condition, especially if you offer me a good price. But yeah, you know, kind of all the guy has to say right now, you know, all I gotta say, other than go check the links in the description. You want to check the WWY Youth brand out, I'd really appreciate that. You know, support my boy's brand. And then also you can check out my Instagram if you guys want to give me a follow on either of those. Got an Instagram post coming tomorrow, so maybe do that. And yeah, pretty much all I gotta say, other than I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.